Did you know more than half of teens say buy now, pay later? Lets them afford things they could not otherwise get. Tempted by that, limited time sneaker drop, or the latest gaming headset. For just a few easy payments, everywhere you look, buy now, pay later apps are waving deals at you. No credit card needed, just a few taps, and you walk away with the goods today. It sounds genius, but is it safe? What actually happens if you missed a payment or sign up for too many deals at once? Are you building smart credit or a silent debt trap waiting to blow up your bank balance? This video is for every teen who has ever wondered, am I really getting a good deal? Setting myself up for a headache later. We will break down how buy now pay later works, why so many young shoppers use it, and the hidden side effects nobody talks about. Ready to get real about the risk and rewards before you tap buy now and pay later. Let's get started. So first of all, let us understand what's this buy now and pay later. For rest of the video, I will use it a short abbreviation as BNPL. So BNPL is simple way to buy something now and pay it back in small chunks, often over weeks or months. Unlike layaway, you get your stuff straight away and pay it off later, usually with no interest if you follow the rules. Let's understand how does this work. At checkout, you might see payment options like Klarna, Afterpay, or PayPal Pay in 4. You sign up, make the first payment, and agree to more installments, like every 2 weeks. No credit card needed. Approvals are quick and it feels super easy. Just fill in your details and start spending. You may ask yourself, why mostly teens use buy now and pay later? First of all, it's a popular for stuff such as clothes, beauty products, and gaming gears, making splurge seem affordable. Second, no need to borrow from parents or wait for next month allowance. Just sign up and get it now. Over 1 in 4 teens have tried buy now pay later. Most are not sure how installments plan can add up. The most important question which may arise in your mind is BNPL safe? If you pay every installment on time, BNPL can be a helpful tool for managing cash flow. But the danger is spending money you don't have. Multiple commitments equals easy to lose track, miss payments, and can rack up extra fees. BNPL late fees can be steep, sometimes as bad as credit cards. BNPL loans can affect your credit score even if you miss payments or builds up too many accounts. Here are some red flags and risks which you need to avoid. First, hidden risk for missed payments even if zero interest is advertised. Number second, debt traps. Splitting cost make big purchase look smaller, but they pile up quickly. Number third, impulse buying. Easy credit can push you to buy things you don't really need. And at last, credit score impact. BNPL is now being added to credit reports, thereby missed payments can lower your score. Let's take an example to understand this concept. Meet Jack. Jack got a pair of high-end sneakers using BNPL, thinking $25 per week sounded easy, but added in 2 more BNPL deals, games, and headphones, and Jack could not keep up. Late fees hit the debt grow and his bank account went negative. So, how to use BNPL safely? First, only use BNPL if you have the money for all payments even before you buy. Second, track each installment calendar. Set reminders you never miss a payment. And avoid stacking BNPL deals, one at a time or none until paid off. Always treat BNPL like loan, not free money. At last, should you consider BNPL for your everyday purchases? See, BNPL can be useful for budgeting, but it is risk for impulsive buys or even if you are forgetful about deadlines. Always ask yourself, would I still buy it if I had to pay the whole price upfront? A little recap for you all. In summary, we can say that BNPL is not always bad, but only safe if you plan, track, and don't let deals push you in debt. Got questions about BNPL or want to share your story? Drop it in the comment section and hit subscribe for more smart money tips. If you like this video, then don't forget to check out about the credit card videos.